In the heart of India, where the ancient science of Ayurveda was born, there exists a humble yet powerful root known as ashwagandha, a herb that has guarded human health for thousands of years. Its name translates to smell of a horse, symbolizing the strength and vitality it was believed to impart to those who consumed it. Ashwagandha is not just a plant, it is a timeless remedy, revered as a rasayana, an herb that promotes youthfulness, energy, and longevity. For centuries, healers prescribed ashwagandha to calm the mind, strengthen the body, and fortify the spirit against the hardships of life. It became known as the stress shield herb, a natural protector in a world filled with challenges and uncertainty. Modern science now confirms what ancient wisdom already knew, that this adaptogenic herb helps the body adapt to stress, restoring balance where chaos once thrived. Ashwagandha's secret lies in its bioactive compounds, called withanolides, which work quietly yet powerfully inside the human system. These compounds reduce cortisol, the stress hormone that erodes health when left unchecked. By lowering cortisol, ashwagandha helps stabilize mood, improve sleep, and bring clarity to a restless mind. But its influence does not end with stress alone. Ashwagandha strengthens the immune system, ensuring the body can stand resilient against illness and fatigue. It enhances physical endurance, supporting athletes and workers alike in maintaining energy and stamina. It boosts testosterone and vitality in men, while also supporting women's hormonal balance and reproductive health. In the rhythms of modern life, where stress, anxiety, and burnout dominate, ashwagandha offers a natural refuge. It is like a quiet guardian, standing between the body and the storms of daily existence, shielding health with calm resilience. Many people who consume ashwagandha regularly report deeper sleep, stronger energy upon waking, and an improved sense of well-being. The herb is also a brain ally. Studies show it can enhance memory, sharpen concentration, and protect nerve cells from damage caused by oxidative stress. It has even been linked to reduce symptoms of depression, acting as a natural mood stabilizer without harsh side effects. Its role in Ayurveda is deeply spiritual as well as physical. It was believed to nourish not only the body, but also the subtle energies that keep the soul in harmony with the universe. Monks and yogis would consume ashwagandha to cultivate inner peace, mental clarity, and the stamina required for long meditations. In the body, ashwagandha acts almost like armor, strengthening the heart, protecting the lungs, and supporting healthy blood sugar levels. It helps maintain thyroid function, providing relief to those who struggle with imbalance in metabolism and energy. It even aids in weight management by calming stress-related cravings and supporting natural energy production. Though deeply powerful, ashwagandha remains gentle when used properly. Its adaptogenic nature means it restores balance instead of forcing extremes. It never overstimulates nor sedates, but instead aligns the body with its natural state of equilibrium. This makes it suitable for long-term use, a steady companion in the pursuit of health. Ashwagandha can be consumed in many forms: powder mixed with warm milk, capsules for convenience, or even teas that carry its earthy, grounding essence. In India, families often pass down recipes for ashwagandha tonics, prepared with honey and ghee, to nurture both body and spirit. These traditional preparations still live today, bridging ancient rituals with modern lifestyles. Yet, even powerful herbs require respect. Overuse can lead to digestive discomfort, and those with certain conditions should seek guidance before including it in their daily lives. Like all gifts of nature, ashwagandha works best when used wisely, with patience and balance. Ashwagandha's story is one of resilience, not just for the body, but for human civilization itself. It has survived the test of time, carrying its healing energy across generations, cultures, and continents. From ancient Ayurveda scrolls to modern scientific journals, it stands as proof that the wisdom of nature endures. Today, as more people seek natural solutions to stress and exhaustion, ashwagandha rises once again to prominence. It is a reminder that in the roots of the earth lies a shield strong enough to protect the human spirit from the storms of life. It offers not just relief, but renewal, helping the body heal, the mind rest, and the spirit thrive. Ashwagandha is more than a herb. It is a story of balance, resilience, and timeless healing. It is the stress shield herb, an ancient protector still guiding humanity toward vitality in the modern age. Through it, nature whispers the wisdom we so often forget, that strength and peace can live together in perfect harmony. Like and subscribe to stay with us on this delicious journey through the world of food and ancient flavors.